In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Stremio when it gets stuck on the loading screen. We've all been there. You're excited to watch your favorite show, but for some reason, Stremio just won't load. Don't worry, because I'm here to help you troubleshoot and resolve this issue with some simple steps. First up, let's try force closing and reopening Stremio. Sometimes the application might just need a little reset to start working again. To do this, you'll want to access your Task Manager, which is a handy tool for managing all the applications currently running on your computer. You can open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus E plus ESC on your keyboard. Once it's open, scroll through the list until you find Stremio. Click on it to select it, and then you'll see an option to End Task in the bottom right corner. Click on that, and this will force Stremio to close. Once it's closed, go ahead and try to open Stremio again to see if that solves the loading issue. If force closing and reopening didn't work, the next step is to check your internet connection. Oftentimes, connectivity issues can be the culprit when apps like Stremio refuse to load. Open up your internet browser and visit a website to verify that your internet is indeed working. If the page loads without any issues, your connection is probably fine. However, if you find that the page doesn't load or if it's slow, you might want to restart your router. Just turn it off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on again. Once your internet is back online, try opening Stremio again to see if that resolves the issue. Now, if those steps haven't worked for you, it might be time to restart your computer. Sometimes the problem might not be with Stremio or your internet, but rather with your operating system itself. Before you restart, make sure to save any work you might have open to avoid losing any unsaved data. Once you're ready, go ahead and restart Windows. After your computer has finished rebooting, try launching Stremio again. A fresh start can often clear up any temporary glitches that might have been causing the app to hang on the loading screen. Finally, if all else fails, consider updating Stremio. Running an outdated version of the app can sometimes lead to compatibility issues or bugs that have been resolved in more recent updates. Head over to Stremio's official website or your app store to check for the latest version available. If there's an update, be sure to download and install it. Once done, launch Stremio again and see if the problem has been fixed. And there you have it, 4 practical steps to troubleshoot and rectify the loading issues with Stremio. Hopefully these tips have helped and you're back to watching your shows without any further interruptions. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy streaming.